Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today's product is Pine Clean Cleaner and Deodorant by Quality Chemical. It boasts real pine oil. Not sure what the amount is, but it's definitely in there. As you can see, I've been using this, so wanted to get it on video. Directions. Feel free to pause if needed. There's the contact info. And today there is a new feature on cleaning the floor. This will become the official measuring cup of my cleaners, as the caps are all different sizes on these cleaner bottles I have. So this will be a standard measurement. This is a 1/8 cup measuring cup. Let's get started. Alright, we're over here at the cloud cam now. Let's see what we got. So now it's 1/8 cup per gallon. And yes, that is plenty for a surfactant. Well, I do believe I see some clouds forming. And I can see them on the cloud cam as well. Let's get set back up for the floor cam. Alright, back at the floor cam. Let's see what happens. We'll come in for a look at the product first. That's lovely. Got some clouds forming in there. It's got the traditional pine scent odor that everyone that's been around for many years is familiar with. And as usual, I will mop 2 times. See how this does. Yes, the pine scent is awesome. Definitely would recommend this product. Go over it the second time to make sure it's thoroughly clean. And that is done. Looks like I got a little rowdy with the mop. Go ahead and tidy that up a little bit. Now let's check out the water after cleaning. As you can see, it did pick up some dirt. So I will say this is a very good product. Once again, this has been cleaning the floor with Pine Clean Cleaner and Deodorant with real pine oil. Thank you for watching.